Hi students, let's try to see example 1.5. This is the very important example student of unit and dimension. What they are saying, consider a simple pendulum having a bob attached to the string. So what is the simple pendulum? You can have a look over it student. This is the pendulum, right? It is moving in this direction, then this direction, right? So what the point they are saying, attached to string that oscillate under the action of the force of the gravity. Okay, suppose that the period of oscillation of the simple pendulum depends on the length. So it is depending on the length. One thing they are saying, oscillation depend on the length, mass of the bob. So this is it, here mass is there, and acceleration due to gravity. So here that is gravitational force is acting, G. Derive the expression for its time period using the method of the time dimension. So you have to derive in the M, L, G. In this, how it is related, time period is related to this, all the things students. So dear students, let's try to understand. This is the time period T, proportional to, we can write student, that is the length is there. So initially they have given length, so we can write that is L power x, it can be, then the mass is there, mass can be y, and then gravity acceleration there, that can be z. Okay, now you can remove the proportionality constant, it will give k, and that is L power x, that is mass power y, and gravity power, that is z. So now if you talk about the dimension of LHS and RHS student, what you can see, this one is RHS student, and this side this is what is called LHS. Okay, not actually, this is not, I am saying the correctly, this is the student LHS, and this side RHS. Now in time period only time is there student, there is no mass and the length. So what is, we can write M power 0, then L power 0, and time 1, this is there. Now what is the k? K let it be as it is student, no need to calculate k. Now what we need to do, that is length. Length power, what is there student? Length power they have said, that is x, then mass, mass is the power, it is y, and what is the acceleration student? Acceleration, so if you talk about acceleration student, velocity, oh no, velocity upon time, so velocity meter per second, so lt minus 1 upon t, so lt minus 2, lt minus 2, so here we are writing lt minus 2, and power it is going to be z. Now let us try to solve it out students. So what is L power x, that is one thing, M power y, another things, L power z, okay, and t power minus 2z, this is what is there. Now this all things we got student, and we have to match it out now. So mass we have to match with mass with the mass, and then length with the length. So here you see L is going to match, exponent we have to match, then mass with this one student, and time we have to match with this one. Okay, little bit we need to solve this one, because there are the common things are also there student, that common thing need to be solved. So ML 0 T1 equal to, what is the L power x, and here is z is there, x plus z student, this is the one thing is there, M power y, there is no problem, t power minus 2z, that is what is there. Now dear students, what is the, you can match, this length is being matched with the length factor student, this one. So what will be the exponent you are matching? So x plus z is equal to 0 students. So x is equal to minus z, or z is equal to minus x. So we got the value. Now you are matching the mass with the mass. So y is equal to how much student? That is going to be 0. Now another one, time. So t value how much is there student? Minus 2z is equal to 1. So z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Z is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here x is equal to what we get, student? X is equal to, you will get minus minus plus 1 by 2. Okay, here we match the here this equation Z. So now from the equation you can consider to be equation number here 1, student, and then you need to rewrite the values. So time period is equal to what is k, L is there. So L power, how much we have considered, student? L power we consider to be x. So x value, how much we got, student? 1 by 2. Now L and then mass value y value we got 0. And then what we have to see, student, that is the ml, and then acceleration g value. So z value minus 1 by 2. What we can do, student, here t is equal to student, here is k, let it be like that, m anything power 0, anything power 0 is going to be 1. So L 1 by 2, this is negative sign is there, so G 1 by 2, because negative it gone denominator. So T is equal to K, 1 by 2 you remove, so L by it is G. So one expression we got is 20 equal to K L by G. Now what else we can J, student? We know, student, K is equal to 2 pi. So we can rearrange T is equal to 2 pi and root L by G. So this is all about the equation, student, for the time period, relation between time period, then length of the string, mass of pendulum, and acceleration due to gravity. Thank you.